We are Team Sahayak and I am Laksh.
I am Likit.
I am Jeevan. We are studying in grade 7th at Excel Public School, Kurkalli, Mysore.
The theme we have chosen is development, and our problem statement is to design a solution to improve public transport in India.
The visually impaired face a lot of difficulties traveling by the bus because there are a few bus stations with no shelter and no information about the bus that are running. They rely on others to provide them with information about the bus arrival, departure, and routes. Therefore, to ensure easy access for the visually challenged, there is a need to make suitable improvements in the public transport system.
We conducted a survey with visually impaired children and adults to better understand the difficulties they face while using public transport, especially buses. Based on their answers, we concluded that all of them face difficulties in boarding the buses, getting information about the buses. To help the visually impaired using buses more comfortably, we have come up with a smart bus stop called Sahayak.
Our bus stop, Sahayak, is a separate bus stop created for differently abled for a few meters away from the common bus stop. The bus stop is protected structurally with a well-lit roof, a few benches and a ramp. The ramp has railings that will help visually challenged to get into the bus and also get off the bus. Beside the bus stop, there is an information pole. The components that are we used to make the information pole are Arduino Mega, push button, keypad with braille, LCD, RFID, DF mini player with speakers. The features of the pole are as follow. The pole functions in two parts.
Part 1. The push button is pressed by the differently abled when he or she arrives at the bus stop. Then enters the bus number he or she wants to board using braille keypad. The bus number is displayed along with the route and time of arrival on the LCD as well as it's announced. A count registered for requested bus number.
Bus number 9 via Vijayanagar. Arrival 8 am.
Part 2. A RFID scanner is placed in between the common bus stop and Sahayak. As the bus enters the common bus stop and waits for the passengers to board the bus, RFID scanner scans the tag attached on the bus and displays the information on the information pole along with an announcement for the differently abled.
Bus number 9 has arrived.
This gives enough time for the visually impaired passengers to align themselves along the railings to board the bus. Part 3. Inside the bus. A LED bulb is placed between the common bus stop and Sahayak. As the RFID scanner scans the bus number, the information of the number of passengers boarding the respective bus number is retrieved and the LED flashes that many times. This is captured by the LDR sensor and displayed on the LCD screen in front of the driver, indicating the number of passengers waiting at Sahayak.
We all three researched, studied the various case studies, news articles on difficulties faced by visually impaired at the bus stop, and brainstormed for solution and developed our research document. Thank you.